The solid white line indicates that you must remain in your lane. You should never cross a solid line, no matter what color it is. You have the option of changing lanes before approaching the intersection or waiting until you have passed through it. Changing lanes over the solid line when there are no other road users is a critical error in a driving test. Because of the bend, you will be unable to see the road far ahead and thus any hazards sooner. As your car bends through the bend, your visibility through the mirrors is reduced. When driving around a bend at an appropriate speed, you should keep your eyes on the road ahead and use adequate steering. If you switch lane at the bend, the lane changing procedure will distract you, and there is a high risk that your side wheels could mount the pavement, or you might swerve your car, causing the other driver to take evasive action. This is considered an immediate termination error in the driving test.